guys, JT43 here, and by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing how to replace a spark plug on a mini bike engine. This kind of applies to different kinds of engines. If you have a Predator 212, Tillotson 212, Tillotson 225, Briggs & Stratton, anything like that, it's pretty much all the same thing. But on this engine, I'm going to be working on my 97cc mini bike engine, and so it's pretty simple. So step one, unplug the CDI cable or the CDI boot, like that. Step two, find the correct socket size for the spark plug. So this is a 3/4 socket. There's a good chance that your spark plug is also going to be the same size, or it might be a different size. You just want to find the right socket and maybe an extension. So extensions help. So then step three, you're going to take the spark plug out. So now you're gonna go ahead and get your new spark plug. I know I'm running Champion here, but I usually like to run NGK, but this is all I had. So step four is gonna be to put your new spark plug back in. So now when you're done tightening up your spark plug, you wanna make sure it's snug. You know, you definitely don't wanna strip those threads in there. So then step five is gonna be to plug your CDI boot back on, and you're all finished. It's that simple. If you did enjoy this video or it helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.